Good afternoon, sirs.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I am actually on behalf of Inspector General of Registration and Commissioner of Stamp Revenue, West Bengal. I am presenting this to you. This is a initiative taken by Directorate of Registration and Stamp Revenue, West Bengal, to provide registration services to the citizen of West Bengal, even during this pandemic period. Actually, as you know, registration happens under the Indian Registration Act 1908, and the Directorate of Registration and Commissioner of Director of Registration and Stamp Revenue is the nodal directorate for administering those acts in the West Bengal. The registrations, due to pandemic situation, the lockdown declared all over the country. The registration in West Bengal also gone down. It was stopped. So it created chaos in the public, because registration is a very important service for the citizen and also for the government also. The government is earning around 6,000 crores a year from these services. This you can see from the slide that the directorate started computerization of registration.
Sir, your slide is not visible. Can you share it again?
Please share your slides.
In the bottom, there is a green color icon with the share screen.
Is it now visible?
Yes, sir. It's visible.
Yes,
you can
now
maximize it.
Actually, the directorate started computerization in the year 2000.
You can maximize it.
Full screen.
Yes, sir. Now
Yes.
it's okay?
Yes.
Yeah.
The directorate started computerization of registration in the year 2000, when only a digitization of documents, basically scanning digitized copy preservation, was introduced, together with some text data entry. The whole computer process of registration was not computerized then. Then in 2007, under the NEGP plan, the government introduced computerization, total computerization. All steps were computerized since then. But it was a standalone silo system running in 256 registration offices of the state. There are 256 registration offices in the state, and there are standalone system in every registration office under this court system. In 2014, we removed those standalone silo system and introduced a centralized web-based architecture system called Inothikaran. And in Inothikaran, all these registration offices, actually we have provided a connectivity, two connectivity, one MPLS connectivity and other is a state-wide network SWAN connectivity provided, and all are working on the central system only. There are no individual system in any registration offices in the state. So registration was happening very smoothly till the lockdown came. When the lockdown declared, then all registration offices are stopped. Registration services were stopped. So to ensure business continuity during this pandemic situation, we introduced two new modules. One is e-registration module and another is e-appointment module. This e-registration module basically is covering this preparation of deed online and registration of digital deed. We facilitate the citizen to prepare the deed online, to get it verified, to get it approved from the registration offices, registering officers, and then register that digital deed in our Inothikaran system. And in e-appointment system, basically we provide them the facility to book time so that they can come to office at their book time and get the registration as quick as possible. So during this EDIT, what we told, what e-registration, what facilitated the generation of digital document. Basically, the challenge was to define the template, because there are all these persons there who are preparing this, their template were different. So defining a standardized template was very critical, and we did it with stakeholders counseling, with those who are preparing this, with registering officers and all other stakeholders. We defined some model formats, and we put that model formats into our system so that anyone can prepare deeds on this with their inputs in the model format and get it verified from the registration offices. And even if they are facing any problem in preparation of deed, our online assistance was there. There is a centralized help desk. Also, these registering officers and these distance registration officers, they are providing inputs and helps to the public. There is also a centralized help desk center. This person who are in the central help desk center, they are aware of these all these processes and procedures and everything, so that they are helping these registered people in preparation of deed, as well as in signing this deed, as well as in submission of this deed. Signing is a very important part in any document, because a document becomes valid only if it is signed by these parties. In electronic document, we introduce digital signing through Aadhaar based. In Aadhaar, UIDAI is providing a service for digital signing. We contacted with CDAC and also get their services, so that the document prepared in our system can be signed through Aadhaar authentication. This authentication may be OTP based, maybe biometric based. Both type of authentication we introduce, and the document gets signed from Aadhaar authentication. Then payment is also another part. Payment of stamp duty and registration fees. This payment of stamp duty and registration fees was online previous also, so they incorporated in this module again, so that this everything goes smoothly on step by step. Then after e-payment, they tender their documents for registration to the registering officers, and then they can get e-appointment. They can book their time through e-appointment module, and after getting appointment, they can come to the registration offices on the appointed day.
Is it mandatory come
No,
for
appointment is mandatory, but EDIT is optional. You can now you can take appointment and come with a physical deed, or you can make EDIT and take an e-appointment for registration. Appointment is mandatory, but EDIT is not mandatory. EDIT is optional. You can register EDIT, you can register physical deed. Different models we used for introducing these two modules, different models. You can see government model, we use gap analysis, we use feasibility studies, we use value analysis, not value analysis. Also different project management and control process we used. We use risk management analysis also. We do risk management analysis. We use feedback system, so that everything goes very smoothly since beginning. We also use different change management techniques, so that every citizen become accustomed to with our system. Different awareness programs, different so that every citizen use our system smoothly. So with this system, what we get uninterrupted revenue collection by government during this pandemic situation also. The most importantly, what we did, it is a citizen empowerment. Earlier, citizen used to go to their some middleman to prepare their deed to get it registered. It was a hectic process to them. We empowered the citizens so that they can do it of their own. They can do it from their home itself without visiting any places. And also, we we do some process engineering also so that this everything goes. We cut down some steps like scanning and other things. We also, it helps to reduce crowding in our registration offices, also as well as time saving in registration.
So both the systems are working as of now or only online?
It is
Both
online.
So
It is
both
online.
the-
It is available at the website of our director www.registration.gov.in.
so no physical.
Physical is also available.
Physical is required as per registration is a quasi-judicial process. For one visit is required. Earlier there are multiple visits, one for confirmation of deed, one and another for payment, everything. So everything is streamlined. So you just come to an office on a day on the appointed time for admission of your execution, admission of your signing. There is a quasi-judicial process. We cannot avoid that.
So one presence is required.
Yes, one single visit for a minutes only.
But will it be required for e-deed also?
Yes, for it is also for admission of execution, we cannot do it without physical presence because it is a legal complications.
That's my question was. Okay, then total, you cannot say that totally it has been made online.
Digitized,
Actually, we can make it online 100%. Our system is ready, but these legal complexities are there. It is not supported legally. That's why you cannot implement it right now.
But then what was the purpose of having Aadhaar authentication if the person had to come personally?
No, sir.
What's the purpose
Aadhaar
of having Aadhaar
authentication for
authentication?
signing, sir, for signing the document.
The signing
Earlier,
the
there was
documents
physical document, physical signing. If there are some 10% involved in a document, you have to move to 10% for getting it signed.
No, I think there may be some other legal issues because e-signing you are allowing. No, these days.
signing is only for e-deeds, but even for registration of e-deed, the person has to visit the registration office.
Yeah,
Yes, sir. For admission of execution, he has to come. There is no other way. It is a legal binding.
legal
But
one.
can it not be done on video conferencing?
No, it is not yet permitted legally. If it is permitted legally, we are ready to implement that, sir.
Because in most of the states, this facility is already there.
No, most of the no states there is e-signing is not introduced in any other state other than
E-signing is not introduced, but
it is unique in India.
E-appointment and your payment of duties, that has been done.
That has been done. We are the beginners of that system also, sir. We are the unique when we introduced centralized registration system. There are no other states in India who introduced that.
You tell us how
We have introduced this
No, centralized system is there in Delhi even.
No, that is started recently. In 2014, it was nowhere.
Okay, 2014 it may not be there, but today it is there.
Today it is there. Today it is in Bombay. It is there, but in 2014 it was nowhere in India.
Okay.
And this e-signing concept is nowhere in India right now.
Right.
So has your revenue increased or any
During this pandemic situation, also we are realizing revenue at that rate whatever we were doing in the last year during this period, almost same.
Almost same.
Yes,
Okay. Any saving of time also happen in this?
Yes, sir. Saving of time. Firstly, person did not require to move for getting it signed, so their movement is restricted. Their time required for movement is also removed. Secondly, there are in registration some steps we have removed. So scanning of document like this type of things we have removed. So no requirement. This time requirement for completing registration is also cut down.
Okay. Good. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Set.